common cooking mistakes and how to fix them. Vocabulary words: kitchen, recipe, ingredients, prevent, flavor, spices, vegetables, avoid, healthy, fix. Do you like cooking? Cooking is fun, but sometimes we make mistakes. Even great chefs make mistakes in the kitchen. Here are 4 common mistakes and how to fix them so your food turns out delicious every time. 1. Not reading the recipe first. Imagine you're making cookies. You mix the ingredients and get ready to bake. But as you continue reading the recipe, it says, chill the dough for 2 hours. Now you have to wait. This is why it's important to read the recipe first. Before you start cooking, read the whole recipe from beginning to end. Check that you have all the ingredients and tools. This will save you time and prevent surprises. 2. Not tasting the food while cooking. Have you ever finished cooking, sat down to eat, and thought, this needs more salt? If you don't taste your food while cooking, you might not know if it needs more flavor. The best way to fix this is to keep a spoon next to you and taste as you go. If it needs more salt, spice, or anything else, you can fix it before serving. Even top chefs do this to make sure their food tastes just right. 3. Overcooking the food. Did you know that food keeps cooking even after you take it off the heat? That means if you leave your steak, chicken, or vegetables on too long, they might be too dry or too soft. To avoid this, learn the right cooking times for different foods. When cooking meat, take it off the heat a little early and let it rest for a few minutes. You can put vegetables in cold water after cooking to stop them from getting too soft. These small steps make a big difference. 4. Using olive oil for everything. Olive oil is great, but did you know it burns at high heat? When it burns, it changes the taste of your food and is not as healthy. Instead of using olive oil for everything, use canola oil or another high heat oil when cooking with high temperatures. Save olive oil for low heat cooking or salads. This will make your food taste better and keep it healthy. Did you make any of these mistakes? Don't worry. Mistakes help us learn. Now you know how to fix them, so your cooking will be even better. Keep practicing and have fun in the kitchen. Hope you enjoyed today's article. Don't forget to write your words in a notebook. See you in the next class.